honorable court, whose majesties for today are the prudent judges, whose business is to read here. My liver captivates and makes my body visible. My heart arrests my mind, but my words slip from my tongue, are almost gone unheard of this beautiful ceremony of this evening. The surrounding atmosphere of crowds with patriots, but I am resolute to plead my case, for I am known the reward of speaking truth. Is the topic assigned to me by the platform of wow, there's no pen, no gain. Dear arbitrators, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. Respected jury, here I was confused among two big philosophies. Number one screamed, said that the way on which you are having contemplation means no pain, no gain. Number two, shouting towards me, has said that forget these useless thoughts of people, there's no pain, no gain. Just look the people of now who are happy without having pain but having good gain. While the fight begins between them, one more voice came, which I thought is the voice of wisdom. Also said that don't look at the present, just shuffle the pages of history. So when I shuffled the pages of history, thousands of successive victories replied that it is the reality of life, that no pain, no gain. The biggest victory among them was Prophet, peace be upon him, whose hard work, pain for the beautiful preachings for Islam are alive yet in 21st century and will alive till the end of this world. What's the panel of jury? If here I will stop saying that no pain, no gain, so soon after me all the pains of people comes in front of you. While shouting they will say that we are the gains of that pains. So dear audience, it is clearly clarified that no pain, no gain. While leaving this gorgeous platform with saying the words no pain, no gain,